Parabola Part 2. At the end of this video, you should be able to graph parabolas with vertices not at the origin. Like other graphs we have worked with, the graph of a parabola can be translated. If a parabola is translated h units horizontally and k units vertically, the vertex will be hk. This translation results in the standard form of the equation we saw previously with x replaced by x minus h and y replaced by y minus k. To graph parabolas with a vertex hk other than the origin, we use the standard form y minus k squared equals to 4p times x minus h for parabolas that have an axis of symmetry parallel to the x-axis, and x minus h squared equals to 4p times y minus k for parabolas that have an axis of symmetry parallel to the y-axis. These standard forms are given as follows, along with their general graph and key features. This figure summarizes the standard features of parabolas with a vertex at a point hk. Now, let's look at one example. Graph y minus 1 squared equals to negative 16 times x plus 3. Identify and label the vertex, axis of symmetry, focus, directrix, and endpoints of the lattice rectum. Solution. The standard form that applies to the given equation is y minus k squared equals to 4p times x minus h. Thus, the axis of symmetry is parallel to the x-axis. It follows that the vertex is hk equals to negative 3, 1. The axis of symmetry is y equals to k, which is equals to 1. Since the value of p is negative 4, the parabola opens left. The coordinate of the focus are negative 7, 1. The equation of the directrix is x equals to 1. And the endpoints of the lattice rectum are negative 7, and negative 7, 9. Next, plot the focus, directrix, and the lattice rectum and draw a smooth curve to form the parabola. The following are the general form of the equation of a parabola. In order to graph the parabola from this equation, we need to rewrite it into the standard form. Example, graph the given equation. Identify and label the vertex, axis of symmetry, focus, directrix, and endpoints of the lattice rectum. Solution. Start by writing the equation of the parabola in standard form. The standard form that applies to the given equation is x minus h squared equals to 4p times y minus k. Thus, the axis of symmetry is parallel to the y-axis. Isolate the terms that contain the variable x in order to complete the square. After completing the square, Simplify the equation and we will get the standard form x minus 4 squared equals to 28 times y plus 8. It follows that the vertex is 4, negative 8. The axis of symmetry is x equals to 4. Since p is equal to 7 and greater than 0, therefore the parabola is opens up. The coordinates of the focus are 4, negative 1. The equation of the directrix is y equals to negative 15. The endpoints of the lattice rectums are negative 10, negative 1, and 18, negative 1. Next, plot the vertex, axis of symmetry, focus, directrix, and the lattice rectum, and draw a smooth curve to form the parabola. Try the given exercises.